All right, so we just pulled the traps.
Look at the centipede.
And here's our first one. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see this, but we got, this guy's already fell out. We got these two.
Tiny centipede.
Is that a spider? I can't really tell.
Tiny centipede.
Okay, so not a ton of things in here, but there are for sure some
There.
critters.
There's the tiny.
Are we seeing it?
He's underneath that leaf.
So one mistake that I think we made was putting a bunch of soil in here. You can see a centipede in there. So what we want to do is we want to go through and both count the number of species and how many of each that we have. Okay, so we're going to be looking at total numbers. So it's going to take a little bit. I'm going to get started on that. All right, guys, so what you can see is we are going through just a tiny bit of stuff at a time. Okay, I have a piece of paper that I've dumped all this onto so I can keep track of species and total number of individuals. I need to add that total. So now we have 3 total species, 3 individuals, and I'm just combing through. You know, I might miss things, but I'm going to try to take my time and go through this material that we have because I want to get as accurate of a count as I possibly can. Okay, so we'll see what we get.
Nothing.
Oh, no, what's that? Do you see that guy?
Yeah, I see him. So I'm running
Is it
around.
one of the same that we already had?
Pretty sure. It went into that piece of dirt right there.
Which one?
That one, I'm pretty sure. There it is.
Yeah. Oh, that's, yeah, we already had one of those. All right, so now I'm just kind of showing you guys some photos that Nolan and I took. So we have a slug, we got some centipedes that we had in there, and overall we ended up with 15 total individuals that we could see. I'm sure there was more, and we counted a total of 6 different species. So now our job is to go onto the computer and upload this information into our data page. Okay, last but not least, I'm going to upload my data onto our spreadsheet. Okay, as you guys can see, we have slide number 17. Actually, it's probably a different number for you. But it's time to put that data on here. So the very first thing I need to do is name my locations, or just give a quick description. Okay, so this is the trap that we pulled from out of the dead leaves. I'm gonna go collect the other ones here in a moment. Okay, when we went through it, we found a total of 6 species. Okay, we had a total of 15 individuals. Okay, and then when we go 6 divided by 15, that's going to give us a biodiversity index of 0.4. Right, and so we just enter the same data for we enter the data for our other 2 trap locations, and then we go reset the traps and see if we end up with something different tomorrow.